Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to be logged onto the Costco app because you're giving your phone away to someone, and for some reason you want to go ahead and sign out. How do you actually go ahead about doing this? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what you're going to do is that you're going to access the Costco app. And then once it finishes loading, the next thing that you're going to do is that on the bottom hand corner in the middle where it says account, click on account. This is the really important step, guys. You have some blurred out information here, but if you scroll down a bit more and scroll down a bit more, you're going to see a button that says sign out. So what that's going to do is that's going to sign you out of the Costco app. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.